Yo, this is your boy T.C on production. Remember to keep it locked onto my YouTube page for the latest instrumentals coming out soon.
Dear God, please make our relationship a great and holy adventure. May I join you in a sacred space. With the two of us find rest here, a haven for our souls. Remove from us any temptation to judge one another or to direct one another. Bring us what you desire for us and show us how you would have us be. Thank you, dear God. You are the cement between us. Thank you for this love. In your holy name, I pray. Amen. Keep you in my heart, keep you in my mind. Keep the spirit along with you. We need a little change sometimes, and it's the reason that I'm with you now.
So I pray to the Lord every day and night to keep us from all the love that we have. So don't let go of what we have. Let's keep on praying for a way to be brighter. Let's make it right, always my baby love. So hold me tight and never let me go. Love is always understand. Forever you and I'm a baby blue.
Sometimes you love me, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you push me so hard when I don't wanna go. Is it the past, babe, that you feel this way? Haven't I been good to show you what I am today? And we got no strangers. Hey, you don't look at me the same way. And I'm at my weakest point. I don't know what else to do. Took my wallet out for the prayer that you wrote for me, and you reminded what I have with you. Reminded me when it turned to. Keep you in my heart, keep you in my mind. Keep the spirit along with you. We need a little change sometimes, and it's the reason that I'm with you now.
Sring mi dòng di ngà in nay na hi tôi môi lâu om dễ dễ ima thu an lâu thia ma mà ngày na top nay lo vi thra vin kai shwa
in nay na hi kan u nau ten ron zong ve ima thuan lo tia ma su tin lai danan ron zom mi kan du sam ber chu lalpa trôi đưa turin nun công địch gió rét turin ăn nun cay xoay rẽ lăng thế Isu mang song rô linh lệ lung ngay năn ni trong trái rêu xe rô bùi